Today we are diving deep into Affiliate Nation to figure out if it's legit, what it's all about, the cost involved, and what actually it's offering. Plus, we'll answer the big question, can it really help you generate significant income online? Make sure you stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Affiliate Nation is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software, and courses. If you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% free from your home, then just click that link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy. I have had the privilege of reviewing countless online money-making methods on this channel, from various courses and business models to free and paid websites. Some are truly remarkable, offering substantial income potential, while others are just not worth your time. Today, we are focusing on Affiliate Nation, so let's unpack what it's all about. Affiliate Nation was founded by a group of successful internet marketers including entrepreneurs like Dylan, Justin, and Jordan. They have teamed to create a done-for-you marketing system primarily centered around the Unity Travel Club. This club provides significant travel discounts worldwide, making it a big-ticket item and their key focus. Upon visiting the website, you can access their free courses, one of which is the Organic Leads Formula. It's a completely free course where they teach you the art of generating leads on Facebook without any cost involved. It covers strategies like optimizing your Facebook profile, sending direct messages, and even posting engaging content. It's an entry point for those dipping their toes into online marketing. If you're interested in Affiliate Nation, completing the free course is just the beginning. Once you show interest, they will arrange a call with one of their sales consultants to explain Affiliate Nation in more detail and discuss your potential involvement. Here's what you can expect if you invest in Affiliate Nation. The program guides you to launch and grow an online business, especially focusing on reselling the Unity Travel Club membership. They provide a full marketing and sales system, complete with sales funnels and capture pages. You will also receive training from 7-figure affiliate marketers through regular monthly calls and access to a supportive Facebook group. Your primary role in Affiliate Nation is lead generation. You will learn various lead generation strategies including both free and paid methods. The key is to attract potential clients who are interested in the Unity Travel Club. The system then takes these leads through a sales process and Affiliate Nation's team takes care of the selling part. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros of Affiliate Nation includes the opportunity to earn substantial commission. You can make $1,500, $2,800, $4,000 and even $6,000 in commission. Thanks to the high-ticket product, the system is done for you, which means you don't have to worry about setting up the marketing system, and the sales process is managed by the team. You can focus solely on generating leads. On the flip side, there are some cons to consider. Affiliate Nation requires a significant investment. To get started, you will need approximately $10,000. Additionally, they teach both free and paid lead generation strategies, but the paid method requires an advertising budget. Another concern is that every Affiliate Nation member is using the same system, which could lead to oversaturation. Finally, you won't have control over the marketing and sales system as it's entirely managed by Affiliate Nation. If they make changes or decides to shut down, your business could be at risk. Suppose you're not ready for such a substantial investment or prefer more control over your business. In that case, there's an alternative strategy. It's perfect for beginners looking to earn their first $5,000 to $10,000 per month online without a massive upfront investment. If you're interested in exploring the strategy, click the link below and you can see it yourself. If you have found this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.